Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best outlet spacers is probably one of the most underrated home improvement tools, but trust me, they can make a huge difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of electric outlet spacers, those little gadgets that can solve a multitude of problems, from accommodating bulky plugs to preventing electrical hazards. We'll explore what makes a great spacer, how to choose the right one, and why you might need them in your home. Number 5. Outlet spacers for loose outlet plug fix. This package includes 96 red outlet spacers and 30 screws. They are designed to meet your daily replacement needs. You can use them on switches in every room. Each red receptacle spacer measures 0.75 by 0.83 inches. They are designed not to interfere with the switch's function. You can easily store the extras for future use. Are you worried about sagging switches? These receptacle pads are the perfect solution. With these shims, the socket will return to its original shape. Installing these small red shims makes your socket very stable. When you use the jack, it will no longer shake left and right. Installation is easy, just use a screwdriver. First, disassemble the socket, then put the plastic spacers behind the screw, and finally fix the socket. Please note that the screwdriver is not included. What we like. This product provides a generous quantity, ensuring you have enough for all your outlets and switches. It effectively solves the problem of sinking switches, restoring them to their original position. If you're dealing with multiple outlets needing adjustment throughout your home, this is the perfect solution. It's easy to install, making it a convenient choice for anyone. What people say. They work like a charm. This product gives extra spacing, allowing the switch or outlet to be flush with the wall without having to replace the old boxes. Very good product for extending an electrical sunken socket. Number 4. Gardner Bender GSP 24-24-piece spacers, red. Introducing the Gardner Bender GSP 24. This is a 24-piece switch and receptacle spacer set. It's designed to make your electrical work easier and more efficient. These spacers feature a convenient twist-apart design. This allows for easy installation and adjustment in various electrical boxes. It's a simple solution for a common problem. You can expect superior quality from this product. It is built to last and withstand the rigors of professional use. It is a reliable choice for any electrical project. Get professional-grade quality at an affordable price. This product offers great value without sacrificing performance. It's a smart investment for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Gardner Bender is a trusted brand among electrical contractors. Their products are known for their reliability and performance. They provide the tools you need to get the job done right. What we like. These spacers feature a twist-apart design for easy customization to fit your needs. They are offered at an affordable price, making them a budget-friendly option. If you are looking for a reliable and cost-effective solution from a well-known brand, you should consider this. What people say. These little spacers are very easy to use, and are the perfect choice when trying to get your electrical outlet further out from the wall, so the cover fits correctly. These made the job of fixing my outlets easy and quick. Seconds instead of hours or days. This is an easy fix for this. You can piggyback these spacers for deeper recessed outlet and switches. Simple, inexpensive, and they now look great. Number 3. Gardner Bender GSP 04 Electrical Spacers, 4-piece pack. Are your electrical outlets or switches not sitting flush? These spacers are designed to adjust the depth, ensuring a perfect fit for your trim plates. It's a simple solution for a professional finish. Need to make some adjustments? The spacers are designed to twist apart easily, allowing you to customize the thickness. This feature makes it simple to achieve the exact depth you need. This pack includes 4 strips of spacers, each containing 8 individual pieces. This provides you with plenty of material to handle various installation needs. It's a convenient and practical solution. The spacers come in red color. They are easy to identify and use. These spacers are easy to use and install. They are a great way to ensure your electrical components are properly aligned and secure. What we like. This product allows you to adjust the depth of your receptacles and switches for a perfect fit. The spacers are easy to stack, allowing for the desired thickness. If you need a simple and adaptable solution for your electrical outlets, this is the one for you. What people say. These little spacers are very easy to use, and are the perfect choice when trying to get your electrical outlet further out from the wall, so the cover fits correctly. These made the job of fixing my outlets easy and quick. This is an easy fix for this. You can piggyback these spacers for deeper recessed outlet and switches. Number 2. RonJea outlet spacers for electrical box. Introducing the RonJea outlet spacers, you'll receive a generous 96 pieces. This ensures you have plenty for all your outlets and switches, making it a cost-effective solution for your home. These spacers are designed for easy use. Measuring 0.8 by 0.8 inches and 0.15 inches thick, the stackable design ensures a secure fit. You can easily separate them by hand without any tools. Installing them is a breeze. Just use a screwdriver to remove the outlet, stack the spacers to the needed thickness, insert them behind the screw, and tighten. It's a convenient and eco-friendly alternative. Over time, outlets can sink or become loose. These spacers effectively prevent and repair these issues, keeping your outlet stable and level. It ensures the safety of your home. RonJea is committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns about the product, their professional after-sales team is ready to assist you. They are always there to help you. What we like. This product features a convenient twist-apart design for easy adjustment. It effectively prevents outlets from sinking or becoming loose over time. If you value ease of use and reliable performance, and appreciate responsive customer service, you should choose this. What people say. Does what it should and easy to install. These are built different than many cheaper alternatives and clip together to make a taller spacer. Easy to use. Put new tile in my kitchen and needed the electrical outlets to protrude more. Worked great. Number 1. Black Nylon Round Spacer Assortment Kit. These round spacers are made of high-quality nylon plastic. It offers excellent temperature resistance, oil resistance, and corrosion resistance, ensuring a long lifespan. They are durable and reliable for various applications. The kit includes 320 pieces in 14 different sizes. You'll find a wide range of sizes to fit most screws. This variety ensures you have the right spacer for your specific needs. All the nylon washers come in a labeled plastic storage box. This makes it easy to identify and select the size you need. It provides a convenient way to organize and access the spacers. These plastic spacers are lightweight, rust-proof, stable, and insulated. You can use them to hold plates flush against the wall. Simply measure the length you need and choose the appropriate spacer. They are suitable for various applications, including micromotors and electronic products. You can also use them in instruments, machinery, and automation equipment. It's widely used to protect LEDs on circuit boards. What we like. This product offers a wide variety of sizes to accommodate different screw lengths. Made from durable nylon, it ensures longevity and resistance to wear. If you need a comprehensive kit with a variety of sizes and easy storage, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. They're made from premium nylon plastic, ensuring durability and resistance to temperature, oil, and corrosion. The variety of 14 different sizes, totaling 320 pieces, makes this set versatile and suitable for most screws. All spacers are neatly packed in a labeled plastic storage box, making it easy to identify and select the desired size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.